Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. It's been a long time I haven't uploaded a new video on my YouTube channel. So I have recorded some of the steps to adopt the UXG Lite or the UXG Pro on a cloud hosted controller HostiFi or a cloud key controller. So you will see both controller steps in this video. So this is the screen record I have for the UXG Lite. So here first you have to set up your WAN PPOE connections. So I have done the WAN PPOE connections. I have put the DNS server as 8.8.8.8 is a Google DNS server. After that I have put my username and password of the triple POE which you will get from your ISP. So here after that I will apply the changes on it. Once you apply the changes on it, it will start connecting to the internet and you will see the status as internet connected, and after that you can set up this UXG Lite on your controller. So it will give you an options to manually connect, or you can use as a layer 3 adoptions. So here you can see manually connect to the UniFi network or other setup options. So I will connect on the manually connect to the UniFi network, and I'll click the self-hosted controller which I have on the HostiFi controller. So here I have to put the fully qualified domain name or the IP address. So for the HostiFi I have the host name, the custom domain as my custom domain which I can access to the controller. So I will put that, and the port should be 8080. You have to make sure in the layer 3 adoption port should be 8080, and then you have to click on the next, and it says the adoption request sent to the controller. So now I will go back to the controller and go back to the sites. Here you see the UXG Lite shows up as a pending adoption. So I click to adopt it. It is going into the getting ready state. So you need to make sure when you try to adopt the UXG Lite or the UXG Pro, if you are on a hosted controller, you have to just follow the layer 3 adoption method, where you have to put the IP address or your fully qualified domain name. The custom domain name or port should be 8080, and you have to click on hit next, and it will be successfully connected. So here I can check the ping connectivity also. Does it respond to the ping or not? So I have checked the Google ping. As you can see, the internet is also working. So the UXG Lite is still saying getting ready. As you can see, I have the switch connected to the same port, and I have to just set inform the switch also to the hosted controller. The AP shows up. Now I just have to set inform the switch and see does the switch come back for adoption or not. Okay, so it says to reload. I've just refreshed the screen and still switch shows up in the clients tab. So I will SSH into the switch, the default username and password, UBNT and UBNT as the ubiquiti default devices username and password, and I will set inform to the my cloud hosted host name. As soon as I set inform it, the switch will shows up on the controller as a pending adoption, so I can click to adopt it. So the both switch and access point is adopting. So I will exit the switch terminal and I will ping to the Google IP address and see does the internet drops as the switch is provisioning and I am connected on the same network. I'll just refresh the screen and see it says site is not reaching. So I will check the terminal. As you can see, request timeout. So my switch and that access point is provisioned. The switch is adopted. The access point is adopted and the switch is still, and now the switch is also adopted. So this is how you can simply adopt the UXG Lite to the cloud hosted controller like HostiFi with using the layer 3 adoption method in the GUI if you access with the IP address of the gateway Lite. So you have seen I have adopted the UXG Lite to the cloud hosted controller HostiFi using manual adoption method by layer 3, where you have to put the fully qualified domain name and the port 8080, and this is the easiest step you have to follow when you want to adopt the UXG Pro, UXG Lite or the UXG Mat to the cloud hosted controller. So the point of making this video is to avoid confusion, because these gateways are the standalone gateway. They don't have a unified network application inbuilt on it, unlike the UDM Pro, UDR, UDM SE. So they need a cloud key or the cloud hosted controller HostiFi to manage it. So I did for the UXG Lite on the cloud hosted controller HostiFi. So similarly I will do it for the UXG Pro on the cloud key controller. So here I have done the same steps for the UXG Pro to adopt it on the cloud key controller. So as you can see here, my UXG Pro is already connected to the internet, so I have to just add it on the cloud key controller. So first thing you have to make sure when you want to adopt it on the cloud key controller, so you have to sign in with the UI account. After that you will see to manage these UXG Pros to the cloud key controller. Once you are signed in, it will show you an options to how to manage this gateway. So I'm login and just verifying with the UI Verify mobile app. Once I have in, it will give me the options. So I have selected the cloud key and click on next, and it will take some times to connect to the network application. So right now it is connecting to the network applications. As soon as it is connected to the network application, I will go to the cloud key UniFi network and see the UXG Pro will be adopted. So the setup is completed. So now I will go to the cloud key and go to the dashboard. I will sign into the cloud key, go to the UniFi network, and under the UniFi devices you will see the UXG Pro will be adopted and connected. So I will go to the UniFi network, go to the UniFi devices, and you will see the UXG Pro as connected, and it is up to date, and I will adopt the other remaining devices which is connected on the same network. One thing you need to change, as my internet connection, I have the primary WAN connected to the port 3, so I have to remap the port as a primary WAN 1 to the port 3 SFP plus and the secondary to the port 1. And as soon as I did, I will apply the changes and the settings. Once it is saved, everything will be connected. So I will show you the UniFi devices tab. The devices will be connected. So everything is getting ready. So this is how you can adopt and manage the UniFi gateways like the UXG Pro, UXG Lite on the cloud hosted controller HostiFi and the cloud key controller. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please comment down, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.